Hey yo, what is up YouTube? Sparky Mark here, and I'm back to do, of course, what is in this year envelope, and also an update items that are coming pretty soon. So yeah, folks, wow, and of course, happy 4th of July, ladies and gentlemen. Happy 4th of July. So anyway, enough with the chit chats. Let's see what's in this item. And the next, pre-order updates. Let's take a look of what is in here. And it's from GalaxyCon. Yo, what did I got from GalaxyCon in the house? Let's take a look. Like right now. Wow, that was very quick. But anyways, what do we got here, y'all? What is in here? Bungo roll, please. Whoa, I got me an Ed Neal Hitchhiker autograph. Ed Neal Hitchhiker autograph. Signed by Edwin Neal. Great actor, voice actor, and great actor and voice actor. Heck, he will later be doing voices in the Power Rangers series, not the Mighty Morphin, just from Power Rangers Turbo and then in space. And he will later be doing voices for the animated Sonic the Hedgehog movie in the early 90s, I believe, or the 2000s. And of course, everyone knows him as Edwin Neal, Nubis Sawyer in the Texas Chainsaw Massacre. So yeah, folks, this is it. And let me see, what do I have underneath here? Well, it's very important, but I have to block this half and then show you this part. That is a JSA Beckett authentication. Well, just a JSA authentication. All right? Very important. Very important indeed. So yeah. Ed Neal Hitchhiker autograph. The Texas Chainsaw Massacre. So yeah, folks. Wow. Finally got one. So, with that out of the way, let's see the updates. Like now. Right now, y'all. Alright, y'all. With all that out of the way with the autograph, let's see what's on the updates. Right now, you're looking at the page for Dawn of the Discs. Updates to tell you about what's about to be released pretty soon. So, here we are, y'all. This is one of them. And, alright. So, this one being for John Carpenter's The Fog. Not talking about the remake. No, this is the OG. That's right, OG. And of course, this is going to be a bundle set. And this is going to come out on September the 13th of this year in the fall. Sorry for that, folks. Little coochie coo in the throat. So this is going to be there's going to be a bundles, and there's a standalone, or the standalone film, your choice if you want to pre-order it. So this is going to come with the vinyl record. Oh, that's not the one. Wait, so if you see the vinyl record, there it is. Vinyl record. The 4K Blu-ray, the 4K UHD Blu-ray with the Blu-ray and the Steelbook version. And then you're gonna come with two posters, like the theatrical poster, and then there's the Steelbook lithograph poster. I'm gonna stick with lithograph poster. Then you got the pins, KBA, Bodega Bay radio. Okay, it's gonna come with the KB, the KAB, the lighthouse, the monster villain, Captain. Musta, and then there's another pin for Musta, and then there's the logo, the fog in blue. That's going to be about 5 pins in this little box. And then there's the vinyl record, I already said that. Then we're going to have the revealing of this figure, but it's not out. It's the Stevie Wayne. We already know the character of Stevie Wayne, played by John Carpenter's second wife, Adrienne Barbeau. She plays the radio DJ in that film. And, yeah, she's going to get her own NECA figure. N-E-C-A. NECA, everybody. NECA. N-E-C-A. So, yeah, that's a big bundle. But right now, I'm not seeing it there. Or maybe I'll just show you in a moment at shoutfactory.com. And whoa there. Army of Darkness? Are you kidding me? They're finally releasing it on 4K, and then there's a steelbook. But I'm hearing a little word it could be 2 discs, but we know there were 3 cuts of the film. And heck, maybe one of it, maybe the theatrical cut will get a 4K, who knows. So, you're going to get the 4K steelbook. That's the 4K steelbook. I mean, that's the steelbook or Blu-ray. This is the 4K version with the Blu-ray poster and the lithograph poster and the pins, which is going to have the Book of the Dead, the two ashes, good and evil, evil Sheila. This is the I said the Book of the Dead, and then here's the Ash saying his line. This is my boomstick, and this is the evil Ash leader that we're going to be seeing. So that's about 5 pins coming into this box. So yeah, it's a big bundle, ladies and gentlemen. And like I said, I'll show you in a moment at shoutfactory.com about the prices. Coming around the same time, we're getting the movie Platoon on 4K. If anybody remembers, it has Willem Dafoe, Charlie Sheen, and Tony Todd is in the film. And John, what's his name? John McGinley's in this film. 4K Blu-ray, 4K Ultra HD, Blu-ray combo pack. And it was directed by Oliver Stone. Boo! I don't want to see that. The Cool World with Kim Basinger, Gabriel Byrne, and Brad Pitt. Oh, wow, this is a good film. Cool World. And also, Crawl is going to be getting a 4K release. It's already got a standard Blu-ray release. Also, you already know about Highlander with Christopher Lambert. It's getting a 4HD that it deserves. I wonder if the sequel is going to get a good release with the director's cut. I'm hearing through the grapevines it's kind of difficult or something, because I heard it through Raven's Film Productions that it's kind of difficult to get. I like the Highlander films. I don't give a damn what anyone says. But Christopher Lambert nailed those roles. So yeah. So anyways, let's get to shoutfactory.com and see the prices on the bundle stuff for The Fog and Army of Darkness, like right now. Liking the video so far? Subscribe to my channel to be notified of all new uploads. Alright, folks. So now you got like anime sale going on until the 6th day of July. And also, any items that you're ordering for shipping, it's going to be a free shipping in the US. All on all orders over $50. So you're pretty good for that. Just to give you the heads up. So let's see what is going on at Scream Factory. Scream Factory. Let's take a look. You already know about the merchandises for the Child's Play. I already showed you that. Wow. This is a big bundle. Centennial, I already told you. Wow. Okay, so this is the bundle for the Steelbook, which comes with a NECA figure. That's going to cost you about $79.97. And here's this, and that's going to come with a Steelbook, the lithograph, and the figure. And then you have the Steelbook, lithograph, the NECA, the NECA figure, and the vinyl record. Same thing, just the Steelbook, the lithograph poster, and the vinyl vinyl record is going to cost you $63.99, while that one's only going to be $103.98 with the NECA figure. Regular Steelbook, $39.98. This bundle is going to cost you $200. Zoinks! On second thought, I'm just going to stick with the NECA figure, the poster, and the 4K UHD. It's going to be around $76.97. All right. This is not that bad. Wow. It's going to have the 4K UHD Blu-ray movie and the poster, the the NECA, the NECA figure, and the vinyl record. Going to cost you $100.98. And the 4K UHD movie with the poster and the vinyl record is going to cost you $60.99. 4K UHD standalone with the poster, or it's limited, I'm not so sure. That will cost you about $36.98. And the regular Stevie Wayne figure is going to cost you $39.99. And that's all for now with the bundles. There's no word yet for Army of Darkness? What the heck, yo? Why am I not seeing much of here? So yeah, that's all there is to know about the FOG. The F-O-G. The original FOG. Not the remake. I really didn't like the remake. Here we go. So for this bundle, for the Steelbook bundle, that's going to come with the 4K UHD Blu-ray Steelbook and the lithograph poster and the pins, it's going to cost you $99.99. 4K UHD Blu-ray Steelbook, $39.98. Right now it's a % off. Original price at $44.98, but go for that if you want. Your choice. Well, look what we have here. 4K UHD, Steelbook and regular 4K UHD Blu-rays. Steelbook and regular, with the posters and lithograph poster. With the posters, one poster and one lithograph poster. And the emerald pins that you've seen early. It's going to cost you around $52.70. So for the Army of Darkness, it's going to be released on September 27 this year. This is going to be around Labor Day, I believe. So yeah. Labor Day, ladies and gentlemen. Wow. That's a lot. And of course, you have this particular one with the 4K UHD Blu-ray with the poster, the theatrical poster, and the emerald pins. $95.99. And for a standalone, if anyone wants to get that, it's going to cost you about $35.99. So yeah, any of you want to get on these bundles is your choice. For advice for anyone who wants to go on the little side of things, go for the regular set. That's going to come with the pins, the poster, and the vinyl record. I'm definitely going to pull the trigger on that one. Sorry for that. I'm going to pull the trigger on that one. And for the FOG, I'm just going to stick with the 4K UHD. That's going to be 100, or I'll just get him separately. Who knows? Wow, folks. So yeah, folks, this is where you're getting around the fall of this year. This was a 4th of July announcement, and I'm pretty sure those who are following social media are hearing updates, including from one of my fellow YouTube pals, Movie Guy 365. Yep. He's giving us a lot of updates on sales going on right now, including upcoming releases coming this fall. So yeah, folks. Well, anyways, y'all. So get serious shout-outs to the collectors out there, from the physical media collectors and the watch collectors, autograph collectors, toy collectors, video game collectors, and collectors out there. Including, of course, Sean Clark of Horror's Holograms. Shout-outs to you, man. Shout-outs to Kursky Films. Give a shout-out to Alzilla09. Mega Hellraiser, I believe. Also, give a shout-out to D Rizzo. D Rizzo, a great rapper. And also Chatty Bobby 1130 WrestleManiac. Shouts to you, man. Blu-ray Outlaw. Heck, shouts to all of you out there, even for my fellow subscribers. So yeah, folks. So anyways, this is Sparky Marky Mark signing off. Y'all take care. God bless you. Catch you on the next vid. Happy 4th of July, everyone.